Hey everyone, I wanted to show you this experiment I'm currently working on to create a non-toxic, non-permanent flame retardant that I can use on my property. So I did some research, and I guess one of the basic ingredients in a lot of flame retardants is boron, and that's what borax is. Yep, good old borax. Now, you probably recognize borax in its more commercial form, the 12 mule or however mule box of laundry detergent, but you can also buy it in bulk and save a little money if you just go for something like this, a generic version of it. I had originally purchased this to make my own homemade laundry detergent. So the ingredient that is the fire retardant and also good for plants, so it doesn't hurt the environment, is boron. And as an experiment, I did 2 to 3 tablespoons of borax in regular water, and then you have to heat it to melt it basically, or to liquefy it. Now what I learned was that if this sits at a certain room temperature for over 12 hours, it recrystallizes in your spray bottle. So you have to use it right away. That's an important factor, and also you need to rinse your sprayer really well because it's going to clog up your tubes and your applicator. But I was able to pour the crystals back into the water and reheat them, and they did re-liquefy. So it's not like a one-shot deal, but just be aware of that. So this is a regular paper towel. Sorry, I set this in water by accident. Regular paper towel that I treated with the borax. And we're going to get a little flame going here. Now, this is a retardant, so watch what happens though. A regular paper towel would completely catch fire. We're going to do this corner of it to show you. Let's put it on the fire there. Look at that. Okay, so we got a flame going. Fully extinguished. Right away, fully extinguished. Let's try this corner. Let's see how hard it is even catching fire. Fully extinguished. It's quite amazing, actually. So I say, look at this. I'm putting this directly on the flame, just a regular paper towel, and look at how resistant it is. It's not catching fire. And when it does catch fire, it extinguishes itself. And this is not damp. This is completely dry, the rest of the towel. I just got a little damp to do here. So there you go. That's pretty freaking amazing. And could definitely apply this outside to brush because it's actually good for plants and between the rainy seasons. And I think it'd be a really inexpensive, effective way to give you just a little more security in regards to fire season and fire in general. I'm going to apply it also to a lot of raw wood. I had a shed built. I'm going to spray it underneath the shed onto the wood and to the posts and any other space I can find around the property that's fire vulnerable. I might even put it on the fabric on the top of my Jeep and see what happens.